Look at Ogbono. This I bought it. €8. I'm going to wash it off camera. I already have a video on my channel how to wash Ogbolo seed. So you can go and check it. I'll select the bad ones and I will wash it with soap. Not anyhow soap. Watch that video on my channel. I will leave the link below this video so that you will know how to wash the Ogbolo and you will see the dirt that will come out from your Ogbolo seed. You have to wash Ogbolo seed. So I will be washing this one off camera, okay? So I've already rinsed it first time. This is the second time now. Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. My new subscribers that just joined this family, you are welcome. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. And my old subscribers that always come back to watch my video, I say thank you and may God bless you. Please watch this video to the end. Stockfish. I'll wash it 3 times. This is the 3rd time. Dry pepper. The fish is very black. If you have not watched the video on my channel how to wash Ogbolo seed, try and watch that video, okay? You will see the dirt that we use to cook when we cook Ogbolo seed without washing it. You see? Very beautiful. I have added water to the water. I'll wait for it to boil. Make sure you select the bad ones from the crayfish. I will be blending the crayfish and Ogbolo together. This is the crayfish and the Ogbolo. After blending it, I'm pouring in some palm oil. How do you cook your Ogbolo? Do you fry it? After basting it with the oil, I'll put it on top of the heat. I'll make sure I lower the heat just to melt it. ogbolo is too thick. I'm going to add butter now. Pour in everything. It is time for me to make garri eba. I'll first of all add oil to the bowl and pour hot water in the bowl and pour in the garri to give us yellow garri. After making the garri, I will cover it for some time before turning it. But if you trust your garri, you can turn it immediately. Will you give this ogbolo soup a try? Let me know at the comment section. Make this soup exactly the way I made it. You can use any meat of your choice. This ogbolo soup was so delicious. Have you watched how to wash ogbolo seed? Watch the video on my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. Help me share this video. Like this video if you have not liked it. Comment below this video, and I would like to see you on my next video.